In this review, we will take a close look at the EKSA H6 entry-level wireless headphones that combine a decent comfort at an advantageous price. Our review will focus on the H6, an entry-level model with good features and reasonable price compromises. They come in an orange package and are still well coated inside. Inside the package, we find the headphones, a manual of instructions, a cable charging Type-C, a Bluetooth transmitter, and a bag to transport them in comfort and safety. The headphones are made of plastic, but they seem to be well made and do not present any weakness. They have a simple design and accompany several buttons. The headphones are light and small, which makes them very comfortable to wear. They are not particularly large, and they provide good support. The cups are large enough, but fit your ears properly. They fit very well and do not feel too tight. The H6 uses Bluetooth 5.0 connection and it works consistently. It has been a long time since I used the headset and I haven't seen any interruptions. The device is powered by a 500 mAh battery, which is admirable. According to the brand, the battery could last up to 30 hours of uninterrupted calls and 55 hours of non-stop music. All the keys are focused on the pavilion left and are the following: volume up, volume down, on, off, and the Do Not Disturb button. All of these keys become multifunctional and comfortable. Play and pause can also be executed with the on and off key, while going between tracks is achieved with the volume keys by pressing them twice. A voice assistant can be activated by pressing the multifunctional Do Not Disturb button 3 times. Unfortunately, there is no way to remove the microphone. You can simply put it vertically to disable it. One of the most important features that distinguish the EKSA H6 from other headphones is its microphone. Since it is produced for call centers, it is necessary to wait for the microphone to be successful anyway. In my reviews, the microphone is really high quality. In the interviews I made, my voice reached the other party clearly, and in this regard, I did not receive any negative feedback. The H6 microphone is outfitted with AI-powered environmental noise cancellation, and it does a good job filtering out background noise and making our voice clearer. Overall, the EKSA H6 is a decent headset at an affordable price. I can recommend it to people who are looking for an entry-level headset and with many positive features. Well, that's all for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and good content. I'll see you in the next video.